Congratulations, Aryan.
Thank you.
Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Aryan. Meaning of my name is Noble Educated, and it is dedicated to Lord Indra. Currently, I am studying in Arkham Academy, which is located in Faridabad, Haryana. I live in a nuclear family which consists of me, my father, my mother. My father, Mr. Kuldeep Singh, is an army man, and my mother, Mrs. Indu Singh, is a homemaker. My strength is that I am a very hard work and confident boy, and my weakness is that I am a very lazy boy and sometimes I become very overconfident. My hobby is to play football, and my favorite football player is Cristiano Ronaldo. My aim is to become an army officer and serve my nation.
Army officer.
Yes,
Who inspired you?
ma'am, my father, because he is an army man.
Where is he posted?
Ma'am, New Delhi.
In New Delhi. Okay. What thing do you like about Indian Army?
Ma'am, that Indian Army, I think Indian Army is best for the land field like battles.
Do you feel that you have the qualities within you to serve for the nation?
Yes, ma'am.
Which qualities do you have?
That ma'am, I have a quality of leadership and teamwork, and I have a confident heart.
What is your hobby?
And my hobby is to play football.
Football.
Yes.
Name one Indian football player.
I'm Sunil Chhetri.
Which is the national game of India?
There is no national game. Officially, we say hockey. Unofficially.
Okay. Do you think that cricket should be made the national game of India because cricket is more popular than any other sport?
Yes, ma'am, because it is more popular than any other sport nowadays.
So you feel that it should be made the national game of India?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't you feel that other plays should also be promoted? Other games should also be promoted?
Yes, ma'am. Because India is famous for its cricket and sometimes football, not other sports.
So you belong to which state?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. What is Uttarakhand famous for?
Uttarakhand is famous for many temples like Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and Neemkaroni temple. And there is located RIMC, IMA, and many more.
So out of these temples which you have named, how many have you visited?
Ma'am, I think 2 or 3.
Name them.
Ma'am, Kedarnath, Badrinath, and Neemkaroni temple.
You have been there.
Yes, ma'am.
How difficult was the journey
Ma'am, very
to
difficult.
Kedarnath?
In Kedarnath, we have to climb very high, so it is difficult more for me.
How old were you at that time?
Ma'am, I think 7 or 6.
If you're not selected this time, you have one more attempt.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you plan to work for that?
Ma'am, if I don't select it this time, so I will prepare for my next time. And I am very confident, so I think that I will qualify that time.
Okay, Aryan,
Yes.
Uttarakhand is called Adventure Capital of India, right?
Yoga capital of world.
Yoga Capital of World and also Adventure Capital of India.
Yes.
Why so?
Sir, because there is adventurous like Kedarnath, we have to climb very high, and it is difficult for some person.
There are a lot of adventure activities taking place. है ना?
Yes.
So, have you scaled any mountain there? No? Do you like mountains?
Yes, sir. But sometimes when I go from my state, so I feel vomiting.
Okay, you must have visited, must have done adventure things in Uttarakhand, right?
Yes.
So, what are the things you have done so far?
Sir, I don't know because it is very past year, so I don't remember.
Okay. Okay, tell me about your friends. Who is your best friend and why?
Sir, my best friend is Abhirat Srivastav.
Why?
Because, sir, I like his qualities of leadership, teamwork, and he is a very hard work boy. And when I told that I have weakness of lazy, so he told me to overcome about for laziness.
Okay. Aryan, you also mentioned that you have some leadership qualities. Have you ever represented a team?
Yes, sir.
When?
When we play football in our
Okay,
home.
you've been a captain of football team?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Aryan, it was nice talking to you. Thank you so much.